What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Z. That's me, y'all. That's me. I told you I was gonna show you all making my 10th anniversary cake. Today is Saturday, 9/11, and it's been 10 years since I had my double transplant, and I'm doing well. I'm doing good, and I'm doing great. I can't complain. So I said I'm gonna make me a cake. I'm about to make just a standard pound cake. But I got a new pan in today, a new Bundt pan. So when I bake this cake, it's going to be all kinds of designs in the cake, and I can't wait to try it out for the first time. But thank you all for the prayers and everything that you all have given me in the past 10 years. My life has been awesome. My life has been great. And I think I do well as a blind man. And I try to encourage others that don't give up. Help is on the way if you pray. All right, let's get this cake together. I'm just going to throw it together, and it's going to be good. All right, y'all. Bye-bye. All right, let's make this plain cake. Sometimes you just want a plain cake with no icing, none of that stuff on there. So let's get our dry out the way. I'm using Swan Downs cake flour. So right in this bowl right here, I got 3 cups of Swan Downs cake flour. In there, I'm about to add a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. There we go. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And I'm about to add let me see, this is a tablespoon, this is a teaspoon. About to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Show y'all how you can just throw this together. Come on. There we go. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, get my whisk, and we're gonna mix this together. 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That's all for your dry. That is it. All right. This is an old grandma recipe here. My grandma and mama taught me. Right here I have 2 sticks of butter, softened butter. So that's 8 ounces, 1 cup of butter. In there, I'm about to put 4 ounces of butter Crisco. So I'm gonna scoop me 4 ounces of butter Crisco. Wow, put that in there. Come on, get in there. All right. Now we're going to cream this together. Right there. Okay, let's cream this butter and shortening together. Show y'all how to make a good moist cake. Nothing healthy about this. No cake is healthy, y'all. Let's start it up. Got that creamed up. Let's add 3 cups of sugar. See, I'm just doing this in front of y'all. I'm not what you call, I'm just dipping and pouring. That's cup number 1. Cup number 2. You want less sugar, put 2 cups. Put 2.5 cups. For this cake, 3 cups of sugar. Okay? A cake's supposed to have sugar in it. It's a cake. Okay, it's a pound cake. All right. Let's mix this together. So we're about to beat some air into this sugar. All this help with the fluffiness of your cake. Let's start it. Oh, we're gonna beat this for about 5 to 7 minutes, y'all. I got all that mixed up. Scrape your sides down, put it all like that. Now, I got some fresh yard eggs. I want to thank my friend Miss Monica in Bayou Chico, for giving me my yard eggs. I told her I wanted to make a original pound cake like my grandma used to make. And she gave me some good yard chicken eggs. So Always break that. So I'm gonna use 5 to 6 eggs. I think I'm only gonna need 5. So break it in a bowl like that. Right? And you're gonna add 1 egg at a time. Where's my mix over here? So I'm gonna put 1 egg in there. Okay, let's mix it up. We're gonna do 20 seconds per egg till all of them incorporated. All right. All right, look how fluffy that is, y'all. Look how fluffy it is. That's how it's supposed to look. Now, right now, let's go and put some extract in there. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of almond. I like flavor in my cake. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon of almond, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of butter vanilla. Okay, that's 1 tablespoon, and that's 2 tablespoons. All right, got that in there. Let's mix this up for about 30 seconds. Got the extract in there. Finally, let's put in 1/4 cup of sour cream. So that's a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And we're going to alternate 1 cup of flour with our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So you get a cup of flour, the flour mixture right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cup of flour in there, and I'm going to put half of this heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to start the mixer. I'm going to do this about 3 times. You don't want to over mix, so you only want to mix it in slowly. You never want to over mix your cake batter. You do not want to. You don't want a tough crumb. All right, there go our pound cake batter, y'all. I just tasted and it is delicious, just like grandma. All right. Your cake always go by what products you use. I want y'all to know I use the best in this cake because I use Swan Downs cake flour. I use Clabber Girl baking powder, then the regular kosher salt. Then I use those fresh eggs from the hen itself, out of the yard. Yeah. Heavy whipping cream. What else? Oh, the butter that I used was Land of Lakes sweet cream butter. What else? What else? In there, yeah, get you some good name products. This is my new cake pan that came in today. My new Bundt pan. I greased it with Crisco. I floured it. And floured it. And it's gonna be made like a crown. So as you look, see the decorations. So when it come out, it's gonna be shaped like a crown. Okay? So this batter is probably gonna make 2 cakes. Yeah, probably gonna make 2. So preheat your oven to 325. So I'm about to sit up. I like taking my ice cream scoop and fill my cake up. That's what's best for me. Let me fill this up, y'all. Shaking it, leveling it off. All right, about to put it in the oven for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, or until a toothpick come out clean. And y'all will see the magic. Happy anniversary to me. Just took it out the oven. It was enough for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Let me do the toothpick. Take my glove off. Do the toothpick test. That's it. All right. I think I could have put a little more batter in it. Yeah, next time I know to put some more batter in it. But that's good enough for now. All right. Gonna let it cool for 15 minutes. We're gonna flip it out of here. All right. It's been about 10, 15 minutes. We're gonna use our gold cake board. We're gonna put it over right here. Now let's flip this bad boy. Flip it. Give it a tap. There we go. Look at it, y'all. There go the cake. There go the cake. Y'all see that design? Look how pretty that is. Y'all see that? Look at that. There go our crown shaped cake. Now I'm gonna let it cool. Then I'm gonna put some almond sugar syrup on top of it. All right, there we go. All right, now it then cooled down. I made some almond simple syrup. Yeah, so we're gonna take our brush with our simple syrup. We're gonna brush it down. So yeah, that's what we got. It'll be good and moist, and the sugar the simple syrup kind of make it shiny too on the outside. So just brush it down with any kind of little simple syrup you want to do, which is nothing but sugar and water and extract. If you was doing lemon, you would do lemon juice, water, and sugar. You can either boil it down in the pot or do like I did, let it get real hot in the microwave till it get thick. And just brush it on your cake. What y'all don't know, when y'all be getting cakes from bakeries, they always use a simple syrup. Just a hint. They always make some type of simple syrup to go on top of that cake. All right, be right back. All right, there go the finale. There go that one with the almond glaze, and there go this one right here with the vanilla glaze or icing and whatever you want. Yeah, glaze. All right, let's taste, y'all. All right, y'all. Finally finished. Y'all see me make that cake? Y'all like that design mold? I do. It's called the Crown. That's by Nordic Wear. Yeah. So here go my slice of cake. I got me a big hump, and I got me a glass of almond breeze milk. And happy anniversary to me. 10 years now. Many more to go. It's a good cake. So that's a pound cake. A pound cake is supposed to be dense. That butter. That is good and moist. Oh, this milk just bring it over. Well, y'all, as I say, y'all see me make it. Go make you one. It's nothing but an old school pound cake from back in the day. And go check out my videos on YouTube if y'all don't mind. Subscribe to my YouTube page. I got a lot more recipes on that I do. Thank you all again for the prayers, and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my 10th year transplant anniversary. Yay! Bye, y'all. Have a blessed day.